Yeah? We need your little wow that cow. Alright, good job. And parents, you guys can help them out. We're going to be asking you questions, and the questions are going to come from here. And we have prizes. And the first person that knows the answer and gives it to us, we'll give you a prize, okay? So let's get this mic going for you. Give me some more time. Alright, you all got your pants. Oh, dude, nicely done. Alright, so, the first question, alright? This is wow that cow. The question can come from the front or the back, but the first one is, how are cows? You have two possible choices. How are cows like Smokey the Bear? Yeah? How are cows like Smokey the Bear? Oh, looks like we got one over here. You have two choices, okay? Now, how are they like firefighters, yeah? Oh, yeah, give her a little round of applause. What they do, they actually take nutrients from their blood and put it in like fire extinguishers, and they're actually using flame retardants. So, I know, look at them, pretty cool, fight fires that way. I know, dinner and fight fires. So let's see, let's do another one, and this one, oh, this is a good one, okay. I asked this one yesterday. Now, let's say you're looking at this, and you're like, what, I have a letter I want to send to him, okay? Where would you send that letter, okay? Let's say you went home after breakfast today, and you had a letter you wanted to send to him about Wow That Cow or Oregon beef. Where would you send it to? What's the address?